swear God is there every time I stare to the eyes of my best friend. Says my son, it's all been done. Someday gonna wake up old and gray. Let's go and try and have some fun, showing warmth for everyone.